Let's make chicken and gnocchi soup. This low-key tastes like the Olive Garden one. Let's start off by dicing 1 1/4 cup of onions. Next, you're gonna shred about a cup of carrots. You can also dice them if it's easier for you. Next, we're gonna chop up about a cup of celery. I'm using the hearts, but you can use the whole stalk if you want. I'm gonna fast forward the next part because you have to mince 3 garlic cloves, but I'm no chef and this is brutal to watch. In a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and saute your veggies for about 6 minutes. Add your garlic and saute for about 2 more minutes. After that, add about 2 cans of your favorite chicken broth, half a teaspoon of some rosemary, half a teaspoon of some thyme, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're gonna season with our favorite salt and pepper to taste. I was recently nominated Queen of the Canned Chicken and I love it. So I'm gonna add some canned chicken in there, but you can also cook your own chicken breast and add them in. While that simmers on low, we're gonna take a deep pot and add 5 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt, and then we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of flour. I added all-purpose flour, but if anyone tries this with whole wheat flour, let me know. Next, we're gonna add in 2 cups of whole milk and whisk vigorously. After that's lump-free, add in 1/3 cup of heavy cream, mix, 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 and turn off the heat. Also mix it in vigorously, or not, just mix it in. If you feel like your cream is a little too thick, you can always add some more milk and thin it out. Again, season with a little more salt and pepper. Our veggie and broth mixture should be done, so we're gonna dump it in here. And now we mix, mix, mix some more. I feel like I've been mixing forever. Doesn't this look like the Olive Garden soup already? Now we're gonna add in our gnocchi. They don't have to be mini and they don't have to be gluten-free. I just had these on hand. And guess what? Mix, mix, mix some more. Cover this up and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 more minutes. The store-bought gnocchi cooks really fast. Oh, child, after all that mixing, I'm tired. So I'm finally serving myself a bowl. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on this. Oh, it looks so good. It tastes so good. Let me know if you try it out. Bye!